All right, let's kick off today's Amazon special deals with this Thin Rip Jig. Now, if you're not familiar with what a Thin Rip Jig is, I have actually posted once before an actual demo on one of my Amazon videos. Showed you guys how it works and why you need one. But let's head over to Woodcraft and look at their house brand, which is this Wood River, I believe. This thing is 40 bucks. We're going to head back over to Amazon. Look at the Amazon brand. This thing is solid aluminum. It's got metric and imperial measurements on it in case you use one or the other. And I've actually promoted this thing once before at $26 and some change. But look at this lightning deal, $15.39. Not even close to what you're going to pay for the same exact tool over at Woodcraft. Rockler has one, their house brand as well, right at the same price as Woodcraft, 40 bucks. This is $25, over 55% savings. Pick one of these things up. You'll be glad you added this to your shop. Next item. All right, so the other day we talked about some POWERTEC Toggle Clamps, and they were running one of their sets on promo. The set they have ran today is an even better deal. So first off, let's head over to Rockler and look at this. This is their lightest duty clamp. You're going to get one of these toggle clamps for $25. We're going to head back over to Amazon, and we're going to look at the POWERTEC brand, which I love their product. Headquartered in the US, quality product, and the price just can't be beat. 12 of these toggle clamps for $19. These wind up being about $1.55 a piece. Not even worth telling you why you should be buying this. You're getting 12 for less than the price of one. Next item. All right, so let's look at this 10-inch Japanese pull saw. Now, I popped a pull saw up that was on Lightning Deal 3 or 4 videos ago. This one's an even better bargain. Let's head over to Woodcraft. We're going to find their cheapest double-sided pull saw. We're going to have a coarse side and a fine cut side. 40 bucks is what you're going to pay over at Woodcraft. Rockler has basically the same saw at the same price. Head back over to Amazon. This Lightning Deal right now is $10. If you don't have one of these in your shop, pick one of these up before this lightning deal is over. Let's go. Next item. All right, so let's check out this set of POWERTEC quick gear clamps. These things are awesome, and the clamping power is extremely strong. We're going to head over to Woodcraft, look at kind of their house brand. We're going to pay $21 a clamp. Head back over to Amazon. We're going to get this set of POWERTEC. And as I mentioned before, POWERTEC makes great stuff. If you haven't used any of their products before, give them a shot. You'll be glad you did. You're going to get a set of 2 of these for $29. Basically paying $14 and some change each. Savings of about 35%. Let's go. Next item. All right, sticking with POWERTEC one more time today. We're going to do another dust collection hose set. Now, the other day, we popped up a lightning deal that was for some 4-inch diameter by 10-foot long hose. Today, POWERTEC has a kit on right now that's also going to come with your clamps for either end, as well as the adapter to get this down to fit on your table saw. Head over to the specialty stores. Woodcraft, Rockler, we're basically going to pay the same exact price everywhere we look, $40 to $50 minimum, and that is going to be just for the hose, no clamps, no adapters. Head back over to Amazon where we're paying $29 and some change. $20 cheaper, savings of about 40%, and you're getting more components. POWERTEC dust hose is great. I use it out in my shop. And if you're not familiar with their dust collection system in general, I would recommend looking at all of their stuff while you're on Amazon. All of their dust collection stuff is top notch. Next item. All right, and finally today, we've got this countersink bit. Now, there was another one about 2 weeks ago that was on Lightning Deal. Great countersink bit. Love it. Found this thing today. This thing is an absolute steal. So, okay, so most of your specialty stores are going to carry a countersink that is very similar to this one as far as how it operates. You're going to get a name brand. Unfortunately, that's the only thing they're going to have over at the specialty stores. Amana. I have the Amana bit. I love it. But it is extremely pricey compared to what you're going to find on this lightning deal at Amazon. $42 for the Amana. Great product, as I said. I got one in my shop. But let's head back over to Amazon. Look at this kind of a knockoff of the Amana bit. This thing is adjustable bit. adjustable countersink, and again it has the rotational piece that keeps the bit from burning up your wood once you hit your bottom out on your countersink. $5. Can't go wrong with this. Lightning deal, I don't know how long that one's going to last. This is probably a Wild Quantities last item just based on that price point. But if you don't have a countersink or you're in the market for another one, $5, give it a shot, can't go wrong. That's it today, guys. All right, that's all I got for you today, guys. I appreciate you spending a few minutes of your time with me. As always, if you have not already done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up for the video. And the most important thing you can do to help us out is leave a comment in the comments below. All links for the items that we just talked about are down in the description. Each and every time you click one of those links, it gets you to Amazon. If you buy that product, it helps our channel. All the shopping you do while you're on Amazon helps support our channel. Appreciate each and every one of you guys who do this on a regular basis to help us out. More content coming soon. Don't forget about Prime Day, 8th through the 11th. Tons and tons of deals, and starting next week on Monday, we will be posting a new series where we are going to show you guys weekly specials, weekly coupon deals over at Harbor Freight. So hopefully you guys will go ahead and subscribe, turn on those notifications, get ready for that series coming up next week. But as always, that's all I got for you today. We will catch you guys on YouTube.